Welcome to Flavors for Life, Healthy Culinary Movement. Let's learn about alkaline water. What is alkaline water? Alkaline water is a type of water with a higher pH than regular water, and the best type is naturally alkaline spring water. A low pH level indicates a more acidic substance, while a higher pH is more alkaline. There is no known disease that can survive in an alkaline state. Alkaline compounds buffer acids in the blood with four main alkaline minerals, which work together to keep the body healthy and running properly: calcium, magnesium, sodium, and potassium.
Alkaline water health benefits. Improves circulation. Some research suggests that alkaline water may improve circulation, allowing blood to flow more easily through your body to deliver oxygen and important nutrients to your tissues.
Reduces acid reflux symptoms. Acid reflux, also known as GERD, is a condition in which acid moves back up through the esophagus, causing acid reflux symptoms. Pepsin, the enzyme responsible for breaking down proteins, plays a key role in acid reflux and can trigger symptoms. Alkaline water may have a beneficial effect on neutralizing pepsin to reduce symptoms. Increases hydration. Staying well hydrated is crucial to overall health and wellness. Getting enough water regulates your body temperature, helps transport nutrients, and aids in waste removal. Alkaline water is believed to enhance hydration even more than standard drinking water. May promote bone health. Some studies suggest that alkaline water may help keep bones strong by influencing certain hormones that affect bone metabolism.
For more information about the Flavors for Life Healthy Culinary Movement, please visit www.flavorsforlife.org.